What if I told you that the most powerful health tool you have isn't something you eat, but when you don't eat? Today, we're uncovering the truth about intermittent fasting. For the busy American, juggling meetings, kids, and a commute, traditional diets often fail. But fasting is different. It's a lifestyle, not a restriction. At the heart of fasting is a process called autophagy. Think of it as your body's internal vacuum cleaner, recycling old cells and boosting longevity. By giving your body a break from food, you lower insulin levels, allowing your system to finally tap into stored body fat for energy. One common myth is that fasting puts you in starvation mode. Science shows the opposite. Short-term fasting actually increases your metabolic rate. The most popular method for busy Americans is the 16-8. You fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, usually starting at noon. The secret to making it to noon? Black coffee or green tea. They keep your hunger hormones suppressed without breaking your fast. If you feel a headache or hunger pangs, it's often just dehydration. A pinch of sea salt in your water can be a game changer during the fasting window. How you break your fast is just as important as the fast itself. Start with something gentle, like bone broth or a small, healthy, fat-focused snack. For the truly busy, there's OMAD, 1 meal a day. This provides massive mental clarity during the day because your body isn't focused on digestion. Can you work out while fasting? Yes! Fasted exercise can actually accelerate fat loss, but listen to your body and stay hydrated. Fasting increases a protein called BDNF, which is like miracle grow for your brain. You'll find you're more productive before your first meal. The biggest mistake? Overeating junk food as soon as the window opens. You still need nutrient-dense whole foods to see real results. Don't let fasting ruin your social life. If you have a dinner party, just adjust your window. Flexibility is what makes this sustainable long-term. Beyond weight loss, fasting reduces systemic inflammation and may lower the risk of chronic diseases that plague the modern world. Intermittent fasting isn't just about weight. It's about taking control of your health. Are you ready to try it? Let me know your plan in the comments.